Hi, in this video, I will be showing you how to receive money on PayPal. So there are three methods in how to receive money on PayPal. The first one is share your PayPal QR code to receive money. From the home screen, hit the settings ring or your profile icon, then tap the QR code symbol on the avatar or profile picture to send money using your specific PayPal or QR code. But unfortunately, I don't have that feature yet, so I don't know, maybe it's because of my PayPal or my region. If it's your first time accessing the QR code section of PayPal, tap Got It on the brief explainer screen if it appears. The second method is to share your PayPal ID or share your link. To do that, you just have to go to Wallet, scroll down, and look for more ways to get paid. Tap the share your link, and you can send it to any of the social media here. You can share it to your Instagram, to your friend's Twitter, to your friend's Facebook Messenger, to your Discord, to your email, and so on. Okay, so once you tap any of social media accounts, you can see that your PayPal ID is here. Okay, and all you have to do is to simply send that. Then if someone receives it, then all you have to do is to click this one and then send money to your PayPal account. The third method is to request money from that person. Okay, so to do that, tap request, and all you have to do is to simply enter their email address here or their name or their contact. For example, you have already sent money to them before, then you can see them here in the suggested contact. Okay, so once you tap their email address or name, all you have to do is to click that, and then after that, you just have to enter the amount that you want to ask them to send to you, and then you can also add a message. And then once you add a message, then you can simply click next and then tap review, request now, and that's it. So you just have to wait for that person to send you money after you requested it from your PayPal account. So if you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.